Our president, Donald John Trump, has the coronavirus. He is seeing symptoms, and right now, tonight, he is in the hospital. Folks, 2020 was already an insane year, and the election is just 4 weeks away, a little bit more, and wow, it's gotten even more wild. But I am confident that the president will beat the coronavirus, and after that, he will beat Joe Biden. But it's been an eventful afternoon, an eventful day. We found out last night that he tested positive. This is about a little over a half hour ago. The president leaving the White House. He's walking to the helicopter, but he is already, at this point, positive with the coronavirus. We're hearing from his physician that he may have been running a fever. He was suffering from fatigue. He has been treated with various medications, including melatonin, zinc, vitamin D, and a special cocktail, a polyclonal antibody cocktail. But they have brought him to Walter Reed Army Hospital, a short flight from the White House. And this is wild. This is unprecedented, of course. But I think it's significant that he walked onto that helicopter himself and that he disembarked. His own power. You know, they could have done this in darkness. They could have waited. That, I believe, is a significant indicator that he's going to make it. But here he is emerging again at the medical complex in Maryland. Bethesda, we used to call it Bethesda, now it is Walter Reed Medical Center. Now, just before the president left the White House, he put out a 20-second statement on Twitter. Let's listen to that.
I want to thank everybody for the tremendous support. I'm going to Walter Reed Hospital. I think I'm doing very well, but we're going to make sure that things work out. The First Lady is doing very well. So thank you very much. I appreciate it. I will never forget it. Thank you.
Wow. Wild, huh? But he is tough. I believe, you know, look, there's a superhuman quality to him, the endurance, the stamina, the energy. But COVID is real, and now he has it. I want to bring in Emerald Robinson, our White House correspondent. Emerald, what are your sources telling you?
Well, look, from what I hear, the president has had a fever. He's had chills. He's had coughing. His symptoms have progressed somewhat during the day, and so they ultimately made the decision to take him to Walter Reed. He'll stay there. There's a presidential suite there where he can work from. He can be monitored. So that's the situation this evening. He has taken that experimental drug that shows to what they think that he, seriously needs treatment. But the White House is trying to keep a face of confidence and say that, the country's still under control, the president's still running things, but he's going to get his health taken care of.
So Hope Hicks, his senior aide, tested positive, we believe, early yesterday or even the day before. It's believed that he may have contracted it from her, but that's completely unknown at this point.
You just watched Newsmax TV, America's fastest growing cable news channel, now in more than 70 million homes. You can get Newsmax TV on your cable system or check your cable guide. And if your system doesn't carry Newsmax, call them, tell them you want Newsmax TV, because we're real news for real people.